Hello friends, today in the series of real-life PLC and HMI applications, we have came with another interesting application, that is PLC automatic bag feeding and packing machine from Vicon machines. So before understanding the machine operation, let us see the complete production line. So let us see that this is fully automatic machine operated from Vicon PLC and HMIs. You can see this is its panel, and this is how fast and how automatically this works. Complete production line, and it has lot of servo motors. So these are the servo drives for that, and these are the finished products coming from this conveyor. In one circle there are two production lines. Mean in half circle one production line is completed. So the same process is happening in the another half. So let us try to understand the operation of this automatic machine. So for that, we will step by step follow this flowchart. First of all, prefabricated bags are placed in the machine. After this, machine pick up the bag and it will give it to manipulator. What manipulator will do? Main center machine, it will clamp the bag and clamp narrows down, and then turntable, that is the center table, rotates for one step. Okay, so up to this we will see a video in slow motion so that we can understand this. So okay, so here you can see prefabricated bags are put into the machine. Here the cylinder rises, and by creating vacuum over here, it will pick one bag and again come down. After that, observe this assembly. There are the two arms. One is the this arm, that is used for coming backward and going forward, and another is this arm, that is rotating, picking the bag and giving to turntable. So carefully observe these two things. Here the cylinder comes upward, pick one bag. After that, this arm move backwards and downwards and picks, clamps the bag and give it to turntable. Again, so this is controlled through servo motor. This is coming backward and this arm is turning downwards and again turning upwards. So you see the two servo motors are used over here. That is picking one bag and giving it to turntable. Besides this, as shown in the flow diagram, this turntable has clamping arms that will hold the bag, and then this turntable will rotate for one step and move to another station. Now again coming to the flow chart. So in the third station what happens? Clamps narrow down and the upper suction cups open and the lower suction cups open. After that, the bag support manipulator will lower and open the bag. So just summarizing this, here the process is to open the bag. So again, let us see the video in slow motion. So here you can see this is the upper section and lower section. First of all, what happens? You see this is the clamp of the turntable. It will narrow down. Okay, this will move slightly toward this side and it will move slightly toward this side. So we can open the bag. These are the lower section and upper section cups. Here also the vacuum will create it and these arms will open the bag. Okay, so you see, and these are the another assembly which is used to open this bag. Okay, so observe the sequence of this operation. First it moves forward, after that it rises upward. Okay, Then it will go backwards. Then it will come down and again it will open. You see, this also widens. In this way, it will open all the bags. You see? So this is the complete sequence to open the bags. Now again, going to the flowchart. After this, in this video, this feeding means our raw material which we want to pack like snacks or anything. So that is called feeding. Feeding and weighting of that material is not shown here. Directly it is poured in the opened bag. And after that, table rotates, clamp widens, and while we are pouring the material in the bag support manipulator rises. So this thing we will see. Let us see over here. Here you can see this is the bag support manipulator. After the bag is open, here there is one plate which supports the bag because we will pour material into it. Okay. See, this plate is becoming up and down. Okay. Right now it is downward. When this bag will come to here, it will rises up. You see, now it rises up and touch to bag. Again coming to the flow diagram. After this, what happened? It moves to next station, that is the heating and sealing. And after the heating and sealing, it will become cold and the bag is released to conveyor. So let us see that. So after the material is poured, it will come to this station. Here, this widen up. These clamps will widen up and this will heat the bag. So the bag is sealed. In the next step, it is cooled and then released to conveyor. And the final product will be dropped over conveyor. So this was the complete automatic process of this automatic feeding and packing machine. If you want to see more real life examples like this, show your interest by liking and subscribing our YouTube channel. Meet you in the next video with another interesting example.